Welcome drone video fans, my name is Bill and welcome to the channel. This is using the camera zoom on the Autel Evo part 2. We're taking off here from the same spot and we're just going to continue on where we left off. As you remember, this is the mystery mansion that I mentioned in the last video, and so we're going to take up right where we left off here, flying over the top of it out towards Lake Erie, and you can see the seagulls there flying around. We're going to turn and face the or fly along the shore here and get some zoom on some area in the distance here. First, we're going to climb up a little bit. I didn't want to hit that tree that's on the lower left there. You see the seagulls flying around. There was somebody feeding them there at the boat launch ramp, which you see right down in the lower left-hand corner. See those three stacks of rocks out there? Those were put out there by a company that the township hired in order to stop beach erosion. And they did stop the beach erosion, but if you can imagine, those three piles of rocks cost $500,000 to be installed. Now we're zoomed in here to 2x zoom here, and I'm going to I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit more here, but yeah, you're looking at $500,000 worth of rocks. But I have to admit that it did stop the beach erosion, and it extended the beach out a little bit. The erosion can be really bad on Lake Erie along the shore. You can see some of the people that live along there. They just put simple slabs of concrete there at the end to keep their beaches going, but that works just as well. We're still in 2x zoom here. Now we're at 3x zoom here, and looking at these expensive rocks. And you can see some more seagulls there as they fly around. Remember, we're probably going to zoom in a little bit more. There's a boat launch ramp area, and the seagulls just hang out all around this area. And I think I may zoom in here a little bit more. I can't remember if I did or not, but we centered in the shot, and we're just yeah, now we're at, I think this is at 4x zoom. Do lose a little bit of quality, but I'm at this point I'm over 150 feet in the air, and it looks quite nice. We're back to 1x zoom here, and we're gonna go back over the mystery mansion and head out towards a couple of restaurants that are along the one of the main drags in North Madison in Northeast Ohio. So as we fly over here, I'm going to look at in the distance there, and we cut across the field from where I took off, and we're going to get to this point. I believe we're still in 1x here, and there's a little Mexican cantina that you see there with the red awnings across the street, and we're kind of squaring up here a little bit just to get a good front view of it. And across the street to the right of that is the Wagon Wheel, and an old-time establishment that's been around for forever. I think we were up at 3x zoom here, and whenever you zoom, you have to reposition the gimbal in order to get the shot. But again, we're well over 100 feet. Now we're at 4x zoom, and again, you can see the detail is not too bad. I was watching this guy from wherever I took off at, and walking across the road there and into his car. But it's Compadre's Grill. It's a Mexican restaurant. Anyways, we're back here and we're going to get ready to land. Just thought I give you a second view of some zoom shots. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Leave a comment, and hope to see you again if the weather ever settles down over here. Pretty snowy right now. Thanks for watching.